In our other top story, mental health service providers are reporting a disturbing trend in Hawaii. More mothers are committing suicide.
Our Annalisa Burgos joins us with their urgent call to reverse the crisis. Annalisa.
That's right. Nonprofit Kids Hurt Too helps children who've experienced trauma. It says suicide caused the death of one mother each week for the past 2 months. And that's more than the total number of suicides they've seen over the last 2 years. I spoke to one woman about being a good mother and the pressure that comes with it.
We're all so afraid of judgment. If we weren't, you would see my face right now.
Ren is a 40-year-old mother of an autistic teen and caregiver to a sick mother and grandmother. She's struggled with mental illness since she was a teenager.
A lot of people, especially a lot of mothers, don't want to talk about their struggle. They want to keep it all inside. Why? There are so many reasons. We don't want to bother our families. We're told that a good mother sacrifices everything for their children. They put themselves to the side, to the back burner.
When you were almost at that point of ending your own life, what held you back? What kept you here?
I didn't want to embarrass anybody. I didn't want to create a fuss. I also realized I'm a single parent. If something happened to me, I don't know what would have happened to my kid. And that pulled me back a lot. It still does.
Ren is one of the lucky ones. The CDC reports at least one suicide every 11 minutes in America. And experts believe that is underreported due to stigma.
25% of the mothers that we serve across all of our programs will have suicidal ideation, which seems alarmingly high. Nationally, we're about 20%, so we're just a little bit higher.
Community advocates say an economic crisis in Hawaii is fueling the spike in suicides.
Mothers are dying. That is it, like, period. They're dying from mental health associated conditions more than any other medical complication. We really need to look at things like paid family leave and policies that really support families so that families feel supported and mothers feel supported, and that maybe it'll take the edge off and we'll see less maternal suicide and substance use.
From government to private businesses to neighbors, everyone is urged to step up and bring resources to where they're needed, like Lahaina. Kids Hurt Too is sending this school bus turned mobile community center to Maui as a safe space for traumatized families.
Finances in general due to inflation for households, both because of COVID and those issues and also increased as a result of the fire, have made households very, very stressed and very strained.
And you can help too. Check in with loved ones and coworkers and end the shame and judgment around mental illness.
Conversations are not always comfortable, and that's okay. It's about feeling vulnerable.
And the U.S. Surgeon General recently warned of the higher risks parents and caregivers face with their mental health. So if you or someone you know needs help, call 988, or you can also check out our full list of resources on our website. Annalisa Burgos, Hawaii News Now.
Thank you, Annalisa.